everyone, so today's recipe is going to be Jamaican festivals, and it is also known as corn due to cornmeal being one of the ingredients. And this is sort of like a fried dumpling or fry bake, but with way more flavor, and this is really just so delicious. First, to a bowl, I'm going to add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Baking flour would work perfect as well. A half a cup of cornmeal, 1 tablespoonful of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and this right here is my secret to perfect festivals. Helsha style, 1 tablespoonful of vanilla lasco, also a 1/4 cup of sugar and some butter. And now to 1 cup of water, I'm going to add 1 tablespoonful of vanilla essence. And now I'm going to mix everything together, making sure the butter is distributed evenly. So now that everything is nicely combined, I'm going to add the vanilla essence water, and I'm going to knead as I go along. And I'm also going to add 1 more cup of water, slightly kneading until I form a sticky dough ball. And you really don't want it to over knead. We're not making a bread here. The less you knead, the lighter the festivals will be. So now that we have created a sticky dough ball, because you really don't want your festival dough to be too dry, I'm going to cover this and I'm going to allow it to sit for at least 30 minutes so the gluten could relax, giving you a better result. So 45 minutes of sitting, and this is smooth and sticky. I'm just going to dust some flour on so it wouldn't stick to my hand, and I am going to make oblong shape festivals just like this, and try not to make them too big because when they start to fry they will expand. So to a frying pan or pot over medium heat, I'm going to add some cooking oil, and I'm going to allow this to heat up for just a bit, and try not to allow the oil to become too hot because you really don't want the festivals to start burning before they even get a chance to cook. And I'm going to give these about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they become nice and golden, before flipping them over. So now that these are fried on both sides and looking perfectly done, I'm just going to remove them. I'm going to add them to some grease paper or napkin just to drain the excess oil. And there you have it. Simple, easy Jamaican festivals. And these have a beautiful crunch on the outside, but light and fluffy inside, not to mention tasty. These are done to perfection, if you should ask me. Helsha style. I want to thank you so very much for watching, and I'm gonna have these with some jerk pork. Can't wait to start eating.